everyone, Meissner here again. I know it's been a couple of months since I posted a new video, but like I've said in my previous videos, I don't have my own garage where I can work on the projects. So if I have a chance to use my friend's garage, then I will make new videos. Like today, I decided to make a how-to video how to change the Audi A8 front Bose speakers, because on these the Bose speakers are it's the age or anything, but they are cracking in the middle of the cone what is on the speaker, and then there is some cracking sounds when you hear the music. And now I got new speakers. I bought used ones because the new speakers are 560 euros per piece, so 1,100 euros, so it's quite a lot. But I got very good ones, just a little over 100. So, but yeah, let's go and I will show you the speakers, and I will show you step by step how to change them. Like I said, I need to change these. On my previous ones, the middle one was cracked, and I saw the one YouTube video where he said that remove the centerpiece, it will make the sound good again. It already it made it worse, quite worse. So I tracked down these, and now I will need to remove this door card, and then I will show you in what condition my current speaker is. So it's making a bad sound. First you need to open this part. Someone has been here already. There are some scratches, and I bought some paper tape, and I will put a few stripes here, so if I'm going to pry this trim from here, then I won't damage this aluminium part anymore. Sorry, my words are getting foggy because today is Sunday evening, and I'm a little bit tired, but like I said, I need to make new videos, so you see I'm still alive. But yeah, tape this and open this part a little bit, and when you pry it out, you need to push this trim a little bit forward and take this out, so because there is a hook, like a plastic hook in the back. And then there are screws here. One is under here, should be there, yeah. And one should be back here, or some I have to check. I haven't opened this part yet, so I will have to check where they are, and I will show you. I got this side trim out. At least it's not broken, but like I said before, this is the hook, what I meant. I don't know if you see on the camera. That's why you have to push this a little bit forward, otherwise if you want to pull it straight, then it will break. Now I can remove the tape, I don't need this. And here are 1, 2 nuts, and it should be 10 millimeters, like I say. I have to check. Is it 10 millimeters or is it smaller? It should be even smaller, maybe 8. Yeah, it's 8 millimeters. I need to remove these. Now I have to check where the other ones are. Like I said, one should be here, and I have to check what goes here. I checked where the screws and everything are, and I found that, like I said before, here, I removed the speaker cover. I checked if there are any screws there. The one screw what I showed you is under here, in the middle. This is also 8mm, and one screw is under this handle, and it should be also 8mm, if I'm not mistaken. They are quite hidden. Yeah, it's 8mm. Here. And now I think I have to remove this part, because when you need to take this door card up, you have to lift it up, and this is holding, so it should be removed also. Oh, it comes quite easily, I see. Wait. I'm talking too soon. Or maybe. Maybe I have to remove this door card a little bit. But yeah, I will pry this door card up, open, because only now the clips are holding it, and I will use my plastic trim removal tools, and I don't want to break anything, so I will put on the time lapse, and let's make it fast. Like you saw in the time lapse, I pried this from the speaker side, and now I have to remove this one handle holder. Should come out. I'm holding with my knee, and this, and now I need to remove two sockets that are here. Come out. One, and the other one is here. You have to push this blue part down and remove this clip over this. And now this is the back side of the door card. I will put this on the side, and I will show you the speaker, what I told you. Like I said, this part, these sides have micro cracks over time, and the sound is getting bad. And one YouTuber said that remove this center part from the speaker, like I showed you in the other one. I will put it on the side. This one and this one, and this one don't have micro cracks. I hope you see on the video. And first I even tried to put some gel glue to fix these cracks, but that didn't help. So the final step was to remove the center part, but that was a mistake also. But yeah, this is held on a few screws here, and on the down. Here is one is here, one is here. I need to remove the socket what is under here, and let's put the other one in. One speaker is changed. For this you need to use what was it, T20 Torx for these screws, like you saw on the video. 4 screws are here, and now I will put the socket, everything back together, and put this side together, and I hope nothing breaks. And then let's go to the other side and let's change the other speaker also. I haven't heard quite good sound with this car, because when I bought it, like I said, the small cracks were already here, so there were already some cracking noise when I heard. So this is a new experience, but yeah, let's put this together and let's go on. Let's do the other side, and I hope my music quality goes better. Don't mind, the car is a little bit dirty, so it's spring and everything is muddy and everything. But yeah, this side also need to remove this part. The one what was it? One clip is under here. I hope you see something. You need to remove this part, and I don't remember. Yeah, no, 1, 2, 3, and I don't remember if there are any more screws. But yeah, let's start taking it all apart and let's see. A little update. Like I showed you where the screws are. One screw is here behind the cover. On the other side there was a hole what went through here, but with this driver's side you need to remove this cover, and when you start to pry it out you need to take it out from the downside, because like you see, down clips are straight, but the upper ones, if you start prying from there, you are breaking them, they are bending it out. And yeah, now I will need to remove this last one, and then then I need to remove this part also, like on the other side, and then we can lift the trim and remove the connections and change the speaker. So, a little update. New one is in, and I will show you the old one. With this I didn't use the glue. I just removed this inner membrane, what he said that, but that didn't help anyway. So now I will put everything back together, and I hope everything is going well. But yeah, I will put everything back together, and I will talk and see how it goes. So let's test if the music is playing. I'm sorry, this is beeping. I will shut this down. I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, like you see, one job now done, and I hope a lot of jobs are coming in the future, but not very expensive ones. But yeah, if you like this video, what I made, feel free to support me. I'm looking for new sponsors. If someone wants to support me with tools or with money or everything, what I can invest in this channel, then feel free to contact me. My contact info is on my page. And yeah, now we are going home with my friend, and like usual, hit like, hit subscribe, and I will make the new videos. My bike is coming out next month. Calibra is coming out at May, because I have a 6 month minimum rent period, so it's pointless to take it out before. I have to pay anyway. But yeah, I will drive my friend home, go on my home, and yeah, I'm a little exhausted, so don't worry if my language is a little bit messy. But yeah, see you soon on the next video. Bye.